You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves. I'll rise up, in spite of the ache. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Hey guys, I'm just super grateful, super thankful that we were able to do this project today at Coretta Scott King Young Women's Leadership Academy. What better school to do a project at on the Dr. MLK Day of Service 2021 than at a school named in the honor of his wife. So we feel really good. We're very thankful for Coca-Cola, Hands On Atlanta, Northside Tool Rental, Atlanta Community Tool Bank, and Sherwin-Williams for making today's project happen. Thank you guys so much.
Mountains, and I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day.